You don't know how to make Caesar salad? We're doing it again. I got a serrated knife. Works perfectly. One key, you always quarter the lettuce. As you can see, this you throw to your compost pile or into the garbage, give it to your birds, your dog, your animals. Makes a lovely addition to your compost pile. Alright, if you notice, I'm doing roughly 1.5 inches. I find those to be the perfect size. That's 1 inch. We're going about 1.5 inches. To me, I've always thought that is the perfect. Now, this one right here, alright, we'll throw that out. 2 inches from the base. Alright, we're done with that. Now, before I got into the mixing part, hand tossed the leaves, intermingling. You could look how pretty that looks. Alright. I have some leftover Kens. It's roughly, I don't know, if that's 16 fluid ounces. That's definitely 6. So, I was going to up this. Next time I buy it, I'm going to mix it with some anchovies. I'm almost positive, I didn't taste it, that there are no anchovies here. Houston, we got a problem. Recycle that. Alright, we got to take a pause for the cause. I have no cheese. We have a problem. Alright, what I just did is another how-to video. And I don't feel like doing it right now. I'm in the mood to finish it up. We got that. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a little bit of shiitake mushroom powder. And almost time for more shiitake mushroom powder. We're going to go with a little cayenne pepper. Give it that little kick, a little bite. It's more than enough. Quick pause. This ain't closing. I don't know why. There we go. Pause. Alright, the other day, I did some sun-dried tomatoes. And that looks good. I didn't balsamic them all. I left 2 of them open, and the reason why is I knew that it was making it here. So it's time to do my Caesar salad. Now you notice I'm lightly coating. Look how perfect that is. When you make a Caesar salad, you do not want it dripping with juices. I've made how many? 4 on my channel already. This is my 4th. This is a double. Look, see the bottom right there. That is how you know you've done it perfectly. Alright, that's my dinner. We'll end that right there, and then we're going to do another video taking it to the next level.